You know, Wall Street is named for an actual earthen wall built by the Dutch soon after they bought Manhattan from the native tribe that was here. Price was something like $24.
Dollars and beads and trinkets, as every school kid in the city knows.
Story is, the Dutch governor built the wall because he knew the tribe would realize they'd been swindled and most likely attack in retaliation. One might say it's been a seller's town since then. My goodness, that's a Gauguin. It's an original Gauguin.
Come on, Henry. Even I know you don't put one of those in an elevator.
Well, you might. If you wanted to make it clear that this elevator wasn't simply a way to ascend to a higher floor, but rather to a different world entirely.